Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope all of you are doing well. Let's continue the chapter Inside Numbers. Activity number 1. Jose is measuring out coconut oil to Siad and Meera. Siad needs 12 liters of oil and Meera 16 liters. Jose has jars to measure out various quantities. What is the largest jar he can use for both Siad and Meera? Here, Jose has to take a measuring jar which can measure both 12 liters and 16 liters, and it must have the largest capacity to measure both these quantities. How can we do this? Yes, this can be done by finding out the highest common factor of 12 and 16. The largest jar he can use for both Siad and Meera is equal to the HCF of 12 and 16. Find the HCF of 12 and 16. We can do it together. With which number 12 and 16 are divisible? Yes, these two numbers are divisible by 2. Then 12 divided by 2, 6. And 16 divided by 2, 8. Now, with which number both 6 and 8 are divisible? Both these numbers are divisible by 2. Then 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now, can we divide 3 and 4 together? No. Then this forms the HCF of 12 and 16. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. The largest jar he can use for both Siad and Meera is equal to 4 liters. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of 15 and 20. Is there any relation between the product of the two numbers, their LCM and the HCF? Let's find out. Find the LCM of 15 and 20 together. With which number both 15 and 20 are divisible? Both 15 and 20 are divisible by 5. Divide 15 by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Then 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Can we divide 3 and 4 together? No. We cannot divide both 3 and 4 together. Then HCF is equal to the common factor of 15 and 20, that is equal to 5. Now find the LCM. LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 4. 5 into 3 equals 15. 15 into 4, multiply it and find out 15 into 4. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 0 to carry. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 15 into 4 equals 60. Then the LCM is equal to 60. Now we have to find out the relation between the product of two numbers and their LCM and HCF. Then the product of two numbers is equal to product of 15 and 20. That is 15 into 20 is equal to 15 into 20. We shall multiply and find out. 15 into 2. 5 into 2 equals 10. 0, 1 carry. 2 into 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 15 into 2 equals 30. Then write this 0 here. Now we have find out that the product of the two numbers 15 and 20 is equal to 300. Now we have to find out the relation between the product of two numbers and their LCM and HCF. LCM into HCF is equal to 60 into 5. 6 into 5 equals 30 and place this 0 here. 6 into 5 is equal to 300. Here we had found out that the product of two numbers and the product of LCM and HCF is equal to 300. Both are equal. Now we can say the relation as product of two numbers is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. Is it clear for you, children? Next, activity number 3. The product of two numbers is 64. If the highest common factor is 4, find the least common multiple. Here, the product of two numbers and their HCF is given. We have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. We learned that the product of two numbers is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. Then product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Then how will you find out the LCM? LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF. The product of two numbers is equal to 64 divided by HCF 4. Then divide 64 by 4. 64 divided by 4. First divide 6 by 4. How many times? 1 time. 4 into 1 equals 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then bring 4 below here. 2 will become 24. Then 24 divided by 4. How many times? 6 times. 4 into 6 equals 24. Then 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Then 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16. Now we got the LCM. LCM is equal to 16. Have you all understood this? There is a project for you. Find all prime numbers less than 100. This chapter is completed. We shall start the next chapter, joining parts, on the next day. Okay, thank you.